Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and dive with practical in these tutorials how to unlock any iPhones and that's with locked owners. In a case your device is blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode, or you have lost your device and you have the boot in anywhere, how would you unlock it without any hassle, without any jailbreaks at your homes? Yes, this is very easy task. How it is possible we will see live in this tutorial. The number of the devices, especially we have the unlocks by symbols there again, of course. To read this device and the camera points hooks to unlock. So firstly, you will have to download the firmware new one. Either it is beta version or RC version you can apply here. Normal version also you can apply, and there is a probability of course more than 80%, but 99% of course by using beta version and RC firmware we can. How it is possible? We can check it out. So we are stuck on a special locked owner. So first and foremost we will give the good configuration by virtue of iTunes. Sometimes when we will connect iTunes automatically it will be locked. So let's check it out. See here guys, it's a completely fresh. So maybe this is of course due to old iOS and this is old iPhones, so that's why I'm having the problem maybe. So don't worry, we can handle of that. Simply we will go for open iTunes. Now we will have a especially here option that is a crash and LC options. We will go on the inside. Device has been connected with the help of data cables. So there is things that this device has no crash record, but of course there is a crash record. Just we will go for clear. So Apple database server we have the clear. Finally from this device. Now iCloud database server also we have to the clear. So before going to there, I would like to tell you come the smart flash options. We will back and check it out. What's iOS is recommending latest one. So see, I have the processed that is a 18.3 RC version. So you can download it also. This can be downloaded from www.3u.com, ipsw.com, ipsw.beta.com, but here right now we will import it. Yes, I can, or actually I kept in desktop. So let's see. Now it has started to verify. Let it verify. On the other hand, of course, we have a true version that's very mandatory. We'll have to open a Imagine PC. So we can check it out here. We'll come the trial mode, no problem at all. We'll go with trial mode. This device has been connected. We will come to show device console. We will clear. So it will verify you again so that this is in lost mode. But don't worry. If you are confirmed that this device is in lost mode, then go for the customize the precise location of your whole setup, PC or laptop, and safely you can unlock it. So now see here. This is successfully imported. We will cancel. So we will come on here. After 10 times, especially clearing, so we will go for once again reactivate of this. So once again in the iCloud database server, data will start to accumulate. So now see it's accumulating of course. Now what we will do here, just simply we will come the toolbox. In toolbox we have options that's the RC. Almost we have a clear the console. So where it is. Yes, where it is console, this means just let it clear. So almost see here. Almost so the blacker screen is coming. See here. Let me. Yes, we can. Yeah. Till the date of today is coming. Now see. So that we can especially close it till the date of today is coming. Now that we can close this Imagine PC. Now this iTunes is a completely fresh, so we can close this iTunes by selecting this one and deselect this one because I will have to transfer new login password by virtue of iTunes here. So now we will come to the smart flash options. There is a options that we have selected. We will select the quick flash mode, retaining user data. Yes, retain user data don't select, otherwise whatever we had a clear that will be a retain. Maybe show no chances to us, especially I am unlocked. So we will select quick flash. Don't go for anti-recovery, it will take much more time. The fixed flash means this device will stuck on Apple logo or iTunes logo, then we will fix it. So just we will go with this one now and hit this one without selections in this one. So it has been raised to 9 to 11%. Let's see, let it complete absolute 100% till it's not notifying any error, especially particular on this device, guys. I don't know the sound is recording or not, but what's here carefully we have in the rest on a 18%. Let's see further what's going to happen. Oh no, 19 now directly it has been jumped from 19 to 34%. Let's see if it is crossed the 34%, then check it out that now it has started to install here in India. So this IPSW can be downloaded from, so I have already mentioned to you www.3u.com, so on its help people website, and of course another is that 3u.com's ipsw.beta.com. So of course there are so many websites and from there we can download. So we have the rest on a 50%. Let's see further, we will see 2-3 devices actually today I have the lots, and further we will see if then another device will come, so then of course we will make a tutorial on that also. Look at on here, more than 50% we have the three of course 2-3 precautions we need to follow, that of course maybe chances to give an error. So the first is try to use the appropriate data cable. Second is especially during the flashing the process, don't do anything because your device may restart the multiple times in that condition. If you're puzzled, if you're worried, then of course you will disconnect and connect. So don't unplug the device till it's not notifying so many errors. Third things especially we will go with especially. That's especially I mean almost how much the percentage that we have done, especially see 7%, 7 minutes we have the completed now. So noises the coming especially at my shops now, but how is there just a place now almost here more than especially the 50%, almost 60% we have the completed. So we'll have to wait here. See, actually one thing more also I would like to tell you, you should have the second internet connections because this tool is working proper functioning on especially iCloud or Apple database server. So internet connections should be connected, otherwise it will not work. Without iTunes also it will not work. So that's why they install iTunes, but iTunes is completely unfreezed, then no problem at all. So they will generate a new apply, don't worry. They are still taking on, especially by way, especially directly it will jump from 50 to 100 or 70 or 80. So let's see what's going to happen the further. And one thing more, that before execution data should be sufficient, especially on your internet. Why so? Because total size of IPSW is more than 8 GB. So of course you should have download it firstly, then go for execution. When you have the half an hour, then do it, because maybe error will come, so then you will have to repeat this whole process. That's what I'm saying. And one thing that try to, if any error will come at the 2-3 crucial step, then we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial. So at that point any error is comes, then we can fix it by the changing internet connection. We can fix it. However, it's not fixed, then we can fix by customized precise location by execution of especially virtual private network. So let's wait. Now that we have the rest on a 79 on a digital form, so 70, and it's almost done. I think so 90% we have the complete. So let's wait here. What's going to happen? Almost we have done especially 74%. I don't know visuality. I think it's clear, but noise are the comes around especially. So what we can have just almost especially we have the rest one especially 76%. Now almost from here 80% is now almost 90% we have the completed from here in the physical forms. without touching on this device, especially I will search. Now how do you? If the SIM card is not going to the functional, then also we will fix it. Let's complete firstly the 10 minute. I have the taking your valuable time, so guys. Let's especially wait for the complete color of this tutorials. Your time will not expire. It will be of course valuable. Almost. Now it has been done, so guys. Now the 2-3 crucial steps that we'll have to execute, guys. So here, just click on OK, and upon of course will come the toolbox. In toolbox, we will have to wait for the batch activation. Let's wait. Why we will execute within 30 seconds? Because it will skip the whole the setting region, language, Wi-Fi location, apply test and face and iDevice mobile amendments, locks and time screen passcode locks. There are the various kind of the mobile, especially locked, especially on iPhones. But of course we can fix it. Now it has been highlighted, so let's wait here to execute. Now both we have selected and we will go for here. So now it has started to activate and this function. Let's see what's going to happen further. Now see here, it's activating all the setups. We'll have to wait. Now see, it's running here and they are activating. Here is having any errors, and then of course we will have to change the internet connection, then go for execution once again. If however it's error or error is coming or occurs, then we will have to use the virtual private networks of precise location, customize the precise location. For what? This device belongs to Hong Kong, so then we will have to use the precise location that's Hong Kong. And easily we can, of course, fixing these issues, the activating and the escaping the setup, because it's totally dependent on the what's the sales area of this device and where you are executing. If we configure it correct, then if it's confessed and good configuration, then completely this device will be permanently unlocked. So it's taking time, but we will have to wait. Any error, any notification will notify you. Now see, successfully it's has done. So what do you say, guys, here? Now of course we will come the deactivation. Let it confirms by execution. So it's asking a 10 second, guys. We'll have to wait 10 seconds. So we are on now directly on a hello screen. We'll wait here. It will be highlighted and we will execute and let it succeed. Firstly, deactivation also done. Now we will go for here. Select the especially language, and one more time we will go for actually the batch activations. Now let's see. Yes, we will go for here this one, and we will go for select the language. We will go for here. Now on the other hand, of course, we will give the signal by virtue of iTunes. Now let it signal is giving iTunes cam symbols. Now successfully it's done, and there it's assessing data. Just now see gone. Without touching on this device, it has been completely unlocked. After assessing, it has started assessing. It's assessing the welcome to news. Now this iTunes is also functioning. What do you see, guys? So because of old one iOS on it, and due to Apple data and the cloud data, it was behind. Now see, everything has been declared. So that's why I'm saying it. Go for watch carefully, step by step, then execute a similar strategy. Some of the viewers are claiming that, of course, not working, not functional. Just to see what's happening in front of you, guys. That's why I'm saying, just watch carefully and then do it. Now here, we'll go in the settings, setting 2, of course. I would like to show you here. See, there's no internet connections. Why it shows? Because if we click on it will ask the internet connections. So it's asking connect to the internet to the signing to. So how can I sign in this account? You can check it out here. See. So here we cannot transfer. We will come in a special assigned in that. We will go for create new Apple. So it will assist to the creates, and so let's close this. Now see here the options: create email, write email, write password, write verified password, country selection, go for continue. So new Apple ID will be generated and directly will be a transfer on a here. If I go in the inside of there, in a face passcode, everything has been disabled, so of course completely unlocks. Now if we insert the SIM card is not working in that condition. We will go on and switch the virtual locations to restore the true location. So this device will be rebooted, and thereupon it will come on a general location of this device. This phone is completely as a new one now, 12 phones now. This is all about, guys. For more inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. Plus, would remains to reply your query, and any feedbacks, leave the feedback below the comment box. Your feedback is very valuable for me to make further such as informative tutorial or notes. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.